Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of those deceptively simple but super important tricks in Power BI, how to format numbers with a comma, so your reports look clean, professional, and incredibly easy to read. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn a big, hard-to-read number on your card visualization into something that's clear at a glance, just by getting those comma separators in the right place. This is especially useful when you're dealing with financial data or any report where the scale of numbers can get large. Trust me, your teammates or clients will thank you for this. Alright, let's get started. First, picture this. You've got a card visual on your Power BI report and it's showing something like your total sales amount. But the value is just a big string of numbers, say 1,050,000, without a comma in sight. That can be tough to read, right? What we want is for it to display as 1,050,000 instead. So our goal is to add that comma formatting, and I'll walk you through exactly how. The first step is to head over to the model view. If you're new to Power BI, this is where you can see all your tables and fields in a spreadsheet-like layout. We'll be working with the sales data table today, but of course, the same concept works for any table with numeric data that you want to format. Once you're in the model view, look for the field that represents your sales amount. In this case, it's usually named sales amount. Click on that field to highlight it. Now on the right side, or sometimes at the bottom depending on your layout, you'll see the properties pane. Here where the magic happens. You want to double check two things. First, make sure the data type is set to whole number, not text or decimal. Setting it to whole number tells Power BI to treat this value as a number suitable for financial or count data, which is key for proper formatting later. Sometimes your data comes in as a decimal or even text, and if that's the case, formatting with commas won't work the way you expect. Now, just below the data type, you'll find the Format option with a dropdown. Here, select General. The General format automatically applies 1,000 separators, so this is the place to make sure your numbers show commas by default. Alright, with those changes made, let's click back to the report view. Find your card visual, the one that's showing the sum of sales amount. Click to select it and then look over to the right for the Format visual pane. Expand the section labeled Callout Value. This is where you control how numbers are shown on your card. Under Display Units, choose None. Sometimes Power BI will try to be helpful and show 1.1M or 2K, but for precise financial numbers, we want to show the full value. Then for value decimal places, type in 0. This ensures we're showing a clean whole number with no stray decimals to clutter things up. And that's it. Now if you look back at your card, you'll see the sum of sales amount is displayed just the way you'd expect, commas separating the thousands, and the visual is super easy for anyone to read at a glance. Don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. Sometimes Power BI takes a moment to refresh, so just give it a second. So there you have it, a simple way to level up the readability of your Power BI reports. If you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI and data analytics tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.